Bit of a windy day today. Some nice boats on the dock. That launch right there is made out of wood. Actually older, way older than I am. Was lucky enough to come down here and mess around with the boat today. And I was putting this net up here, a little homemade kind of deal. Hoping that's gonna scare the birds away. I did have this other thing, but it was wearing out the canvas. And then, other fun thing, installed a new vent for the gas tank. So, exciting stuff. But ready for more adventures, because I got the shower bag ready to go.